Okay, so in this video, we'll learn how to create polygroups in ZBrush. So it is very important tools while creating the models. So particularly to select the particular area quickly. So this polygroup will help you. So let's start how to do this. It's a very short tutorial so you can understand. So you can see in the ZBrush, if you scroll right side, we can see the polygroups are there. So the different ways to create the group. Right now, it just shift F. You can see this is your wireframe. So this wireframe, this is the one selection. So I like to select only the year part, and what you are doing, Control Shift, and you are doing something like this, and it's very difficult to select also sometimes. So waste of time, right? So again, Control Shift and click outside, so you'll get the whole hidden part. So now you can see the whole model right now. So the things actually, so how to exactly select the year and do the, because you want to do the sculpting only on the year area. So other area I would like to hide. So that case, this will be useful. Like that while doing the head you can make one polygroup, body you can make one polygroup, leg you can make one polygroup, hand you can make one polygroup. So when you're doing the hand, just select that, that will be visible, others will be hidden. So that is the purpose. So let's start. So let me select this area. So how to do that? Using the control mask. So you hold control and you can select like this. So I'm going to select the, so be sure that symmetrically on. So fine. So control, maybe a little smaller size brush you can make easy to select. So if by mistake is selecting like this also, you can alt and control both together and you can remove the mask also. So only control, just we are adding the mask. All right. So very simple too. So now till this, okay, these things you want to make one polygroup. All right. So I have correct. No, this part I want to do also. Okay, this is the fine. Little more. Okay. So these things you can remove Alt and Control both together, and you can minus subtract. Done. So press F. Okay. Done. So now how to make a polygroup? So once it is selected, then hold Control and plus W. Right, plus W. You can see in the wireframe mode, shift F, control plus W. You can see this become one color if we keep pressing. So hold both it became. So now you can see the selected area, it became one color, right? So this is one selection. So like that, if you want to make another part, you want to make one more subgroup, so you can select like this, no issues. So control and make this, sorry, control and make like this. Just I'm showing one example how to do. So this is another selection we have right now. Uh, so control and W, you can see another color created. You can see this is another selection. That is another group. So this is one group, this is one group, this is another group. Like the many parts of the body you can create. So now come back to the shaded mode. Where we can, now how will know how to select this now. So now how to select this? Control Shift, click on this. So you can see the ear is there. Again, Control Shift, click on this. Then you can see the things. Control Shift only head do you want to see? Yes. So like that, you can make um, different subgroups, right? So right now here is another group, this is another group, and here is another group. So anytime you can select that part, Control Shift, and you can start doing the sculpting, right? So the other part will not disturb you while doing the things. So let's start some sculpting here, how it is easy, you see. So now I'll go for intensity 2. So I'm just going to do the add the things, maybe a little more intensity 4. I'll just add. So yes, you can see. So it'll be easy to do uh, if you use polygons. So your modeling will be so easy and faster compared to the fixings. So make a small border. So Alt can, so you can give a little more 5, 10. This is very easy to create. This one and add here, add, just making. So how easy you can see. So use some dance center tool. So D, dance center tool. Okay, so give some sharpness, some depth you can give. All right. So okay, fine. Right. So click build. Fine. Okay. So something roughly you did something. You can see how it is easy to have separately. Done. So done. Okay, fine. So shift, control shift, I can click outside and so click. So F. So you got the details on the year. Very easy if you have separate group. Just smooth it. Except okay, fine. So like that, we can get the details if you have polygroups. So hope you understood what is the importance of the polygroup in ZBrush. Thank you.